Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It's a chilly day outside and we are right in the middle of the holiday season, and today we're doing another holiday themed dish, and we are doing a smoked Christmas ham. Not only are we smoking a ham today, but we are double smoking a ham. That's right, this ham is already smoked, it came that way, but we're gonna smoke it again to get even more smoke flavor. We're gonna make a homemade glaze towards the end of this, and this is gonna be just incredibly delicious. So let's get started. All right, here we have it. This is a roughly 8-pound ham. It's just shy of 8 pounds. And this is a spiral cut ham. So a lot of the work has been done for us already. You can kind of see here where it's been spiral cut already. Now the only thing I've done so far is just taken it out of the packaging and patted it dry. But I do want to actually add a seasoning to this. So in order to do that, I need to cover it with something that will allow that seasoning to stick to it. So to do that, just gonna use a little bit of olive oil. Just enough to kind of coat that ham. And I'm not doing the side that's facing down, I'm just doing this kind of outer sort of skin layer. Make sure to get all around that. You don't have to use olive oil, you could use like a barbecue sauce. I mean, you could literally just use water. Anything that's gonna stay there long enough just to get this rub to stick. All right, and today I am using Fire and Smoke Society's Sweet Preacher. This is a sugar-based rub. It's gonna be delicious on this ham. So I'm just gonna come over here on the top with that Sweet Preacher rub. I don't need to do a ton. There's already gonna be a good amount of flavor in there. This is gonna give it some really nice color. And again, I'm not seasoning the bottom side, only the outside of this ham. All right, that looks good to me. Let's go ahead and get it on the smoker. All right, today I'm smoking using my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. I'm smoking at 250 degrees, and I'm using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. Let's go ahead and open this up. And right here in the middle, there's my ham. All right, I'm gonna let that go for about an hour. Then we'll come back, we'll check it, and then we'll do some other stuff from there. So, see you in an hour. All right, it's been 1 hour. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh yeah, there we go. Taking on some nice color from the smoke. But definitely not where I want it to be yet. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just close this up. We'll give it another hour or so. All right, let's go ahead and make our glaze that is gonna go on this ham. So I'm gonna start with 1 cup of light brown sugar. And to that brown sugar, I'm gonna add about a half a cup of orange juice. To that, gonna add about a half a cup of honey. Next, I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon. And finally, a half teaspoon of cloves. All right, let's just mix that all together there. Oh man, does that smell good. All right, now we want to let this come up to a boil. So we're gonna let it come to a boil and let it stay there for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're gonna take it off, and this will be the glaze for that ham. And I'm gonna put the glaze on the ham kind of as it finishes up cooking. All right, it has been another hour. Let's go ahead and take a look at our ham now. Oh yeah, that looks good. Look at that. Beautiful color on that ham. Now this ham is about ready to come off, but before it does, you guessed it, coming in with that glaze. I'm just gonna paint the outside of this ham with that glaze. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. It smells delicious. That cinnamon in there. Get this backside as best I can. All right, I'm gonna give this about another 10 minutes or so, just to let that glaze kind of bake on there, and then we'll take it off and try it. All right, after about 2.5 hours, look at that. Oh man, does that look good. Woo! That is absolutely beautiful. All right, well, the time is upon us, and I cannot wait to try this delicious looking ham. It smells incredible. You really get that cinnamon flavor, that brown sugar. You can smell that so well. This is a spiral cut ham. I can just sort of pull a slice out of it. Oh, man, that looks so good. All right, I'm trying this right now. Double smoked ham with a sweet preacher seasoning and that beautifully delicious homemade glaze. Here we go. Oh man. Oh. Oh, the richness of that glaze. Oh gosh. Oh, you can taste it. Holy cow. Holy smokes. That is delicious. Man, it's really, really juicy. Best ham ever. Best ham ever. Wait, if you're looking for an idea for how to do a Christmas ham this year on your smoker, do this. Buy it spiral cut, makes it super easy. Go ahead and buy it smoked if you want, and then smoke it again for that double smoked taste. You can really, really, really taste that smoke flavor in this ham. Well, hey, thank you once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like this video, make sure you click that thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and click that little bell to turn on notifications so that you get a notification every time we post new, delicious outdoor cooking videos here on the channel. And make sure that you check out one of these other 2 videos of some stuff that we've created here recently outside on the smoker, and I'll see you next time.